Hey Sally, my name is Devin Norton, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 simple tips you can easily apply to your website so you can really quickly and easily rank up higher on Google, specifically so you can be arborsandpatios.com. Because if you look up Patio Builder Dallas, you can see these guys show up first, and it'd be really easy for you to take their spot by just copying what they're doing and doing it a little better. Now you're probably wondering, why would I even make this video for you? It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of contractors that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and just do it themselves. Some people say, Devin, I like you. I just don't have time to do it. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is just to educate you and help you make a lot more money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, whoever did your website did a great job. I love this little review widget that follows you around. It's a very, very clean website, nice font, nice large images. It's a very professional looking website. What Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all this content that you can highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words of content. So if I paste yours inside of this word counter, you have quite a bit. You're at 2,031 already. And if we go over to arbors and patios, they don't have, I don't think, nearly that much. Yeah, I don't think they have anywhere near that much. So you're doing great as far as the word count goes. But what you need to make sure you include is things such as like keywords. So the one that stuck out to me, like I said, was Patio Builder Dallas. And right now you have that represented under outdoor living. I would recommend actually making a page called Patio Builder, because then you can fit in keywords such as Patio Builder Dallas, and you can rank for those keywords. So you want to make sure that you add that content in, and you want to make sure that you fit in those exact keywords. One other thing too is that you can take this keyword and you can save your images as is. So like for example, this one right here, if I save this image, I can see it says outdoor living section image 1, but you could save that as Patio Builder Dallas and it will also help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is regarding backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. But not all backlinks are created equal. Google wants to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to you, which means you're going to get a lot more a lot more of a result if you have other construction or roofing companies linking to you versus having Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. And so the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker and you'll find all the same information. And it says you're doing awesome already. It says you have 1.2 thousand referring domains. So one of those things is probably just focusing on that keyword and giving Google that specific Patio Builder page with Patio Builder images and stuff in the content, because you have a lot. But one other thing you want to keep in mind too is that arbors and patios, they only have 21 websites linking to them, yet they're showing up number 1 for this. The reason is, again, it does come down to keywords, but another thing is, if these 21 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank them, then they're trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what all 21 of these websites are. I'd go to these websites. I'd put a link on each website back to my homepage, the same way they did. And it's a lot of times it's simple. Like Angie, you make a profile, you put a link in your profile back to your website, boom, you've got a backlink. Same with Expertise. Create a profile, put a link in your profile back to your homepage, you got a backlink. So it's really simple. It's just a little time consuming. But once you follow those 2 tips, you beat them in backlinks plus you beat them in content, that'll be enough to get you ranked number 1 here under Patio Builder Dallas organically. I'm going to give you one last tip though, and that's how to show up right here in the map section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, what I would do is I'd figure out what directories Reformed Outdoor Structures was in. I put myself in those same directories, and then I'd add a bunch more on top. So if Reformed Outdoor Structures was in like 150 directories, I put myself in like 300. But that's all I've got for you, Sally. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and you want to have keywords inside of your content. You're doing good at 2,000 words. Well, I remember it from before. And you also want to make sure you create that Patio Builder page so you can represent that keyword itself. Then you're going to want to take the links that are linking to arbors and patios and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than reformed outdoor structures. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across all of Google and start getting all the free business that comes with that. You're probably wondering, what do I do now? You've got 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. That's a great option. If you go this route, I recommend you get started as soon as possible because it does take time to implement, and the sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are already doing this. If you have any questions or you want this done for you, feel free to give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you later.